Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your keyboard brightness on a Mac. To change the keyboard brightness backlight, either if you have a Mac that's been produced before 2020, you may find a button for it on your keyboard. Just find it either on the top bar on the keyboard, or if you have a touch bar in your MacBook Pro, then find it on your touch bar and you can just click on your keyboard to change the keyboard backlight brightness. But if you have a newer Mac, you may not have it, so to change it, go to System Settings, then go to Control Center, and now you can go to keyboard brightness and you can click on showing control center or in the menu bar, but I'd rather have it in the control center. Then open the control center, click on this icon which is keyboard backlight brightness, and now you can adjust it like that as well. And that's how you do it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.